Ever struggled to clearly communicate measurements in your Word documents? Let's fix that. First, open your Word document and navigate to the Insert tab. We'll start by adding a shape that needs dimensioning. Click on Shapes. From the drop-down menu, select the shape you want to use. In this example, let's use a rectangle. Click and drag on your document to draw the rectangle to the desired size. Now, with the shape selected, the Shape Format tab will appear. Look for Shape Outline and Shape Fill. Use these options to customize the appearance of your shape. To add dimension lines, go back to the Insert tab, click Shapes again, and this time choose a line shape. It's usually under the Line section. Click and drag to draw a line indicating the dimension you want to show. Position it slightly away from the shape. Repeat this process to add a second line indicating the end of the measured part. Next, to add the measurement label, go to the Insert tab and click on Text Box. Choose a simple text box option. Drag and position the text box between the dimension lines. Type in the measurement value, for example, 5 cm. Adjust the font size, style, and color of the text to ensure it's easily readable. You can also remove the outline and fill of the text box to make it blend seamlessly. Congratulations, you've successfully added dimensions to your shape in Word. Now your documents will be clear, accurate, and professional.